everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to create caramel. For this I am picking some olive green, some orange, some yellow ochre and some cadmium lemon in the ratio of 2:1:1. Mix well together for the color mixing to get color combination. Now we are going to see how to paint a beautiful seascape with caramel, black and white combination which I have created now. For today's painting, I am using 10x12 canvas board, picking some caramel acrylic with some small amount of white, mix well together for the color combination until get our expected color. I have shown here. Always I am preferring and using wet soft flat brush, but if you want use little bit moisturizing the canvas with sufficient of water. This will help you to blend the paint smoothly on the surface of the canvas board. Applying the colors on the top of the canvas and blend the colors gently and well together. Using an even pressure to get the sky background will help. I am using here horizontal brush strokes only, not vertical. Keep the canvas wet till the background is finished. Do not leave it to dry. Take your own time enjoying the processing of coloring. That will make you to feel happy. Now creating clouds, using round brush size 4 to craft clouds to near the horizon in the sky. Picking some black and some caramel, mix well together and apply thick paint with the same flat brush in circular strokes to achieve fluffy clouds like this step by step. And the important, avoiding overlapping the colors too much. The colors should be match each other, do not leave it layer by layer. Now I am creating the horizontal line, creating the skyline like this, the 1/3 of the canvas with the same flat brush size 24. This will be divided the sky into the ocean. A mix of some caramel and a little black mix well together for the first layer of horizon. Blend it gently and smoothly using horizontal sweeping brush strokes, what I have shown here. Acrylic painting, we can build new colors and create transparency depth and gradation easily with layering. For this layering techniques, we need to wet each layer dry before applying the next. If we apply wet paint over a wet layer, the colors may blend in ways we did not intend. So good one that as we can apply wet paint over wet for easily color mixing. Just I am preferring of the colors of the ocean and beach on the middle of the evening and night day. Little caramel and some black mix well together to blend for the beach sand in the seawater. Always I am preferring you to use wet brush for the smooth blending. Finally, using thicker white paint for the highlighting and blending the edges on the top for the natural look. Using little bit caramel and more white, mix well together to create like this. Just do it as I am doing. creating waves and surf, use a angular brush to draw a waves like this. First picking some white and next caramel, mix well together and just do it as I am doing. Just adding surf to the wave with the same angular brush and use white paint, use soft random strokes in horizontal way the direction. Just adding the layer of white paint downwards to upwards. I am using angular brush size 4 to creating waves like this. Add these slicing lines will imply rippling water. Be patient, take time to get your designing painting the way you want it to look. 1. Random strokes are done to show waves. Use a detailing brush to start. And here, take some white to apply additional layer of this wave as needed. Here I am creating replicate the falling light on the horizon to give a reflection in the water body. Just using uneven brush strokes for a natural reflections look with you slightly lighter version of white acrylic. And little by little, step by step, creating the sea foam broken downwards to upwards into step by step like this. I feel like this painting is easy to you if you would like to learn and easy techniques for painting. Don't feel bad to try and make it your own paintings. I think detail of this painting and the color combination inspiring you. If you are the absolute beginner, try this painting. I am welcoming you to paint in my art journey. In this A to Z concept, I am starting with first alphabet A for aqua, B for blue and C for caramel, color creating challenging and one color using with making of painting. Here are getting ready for you in my upcoming videos, so stay connected, like, share, subscribe. Already, I have done more paintings in the theme of rainbow colors, which is the highlighting of one color using challenging. Our life can contains all the colors. That is the main concept of rainbow colors painting. Please check it and the playlist too. See you in my next painting.